Hey, welcome back. Welcome to another morning chat with Simply Investing. So, didn't kind of forget because I didn't really check the market. I kind of was in a rush to get my, of course, get my frappe right here. But, get my frappe here. But, overall is good. I think I was down like 0.23% yesterday. And that was the time I was just buying stock. So, actually, yesterday I was buying a lot of AT&T. Why? Dividends are great, down to the price point I like it at. I don't think AT&T is going to go anywhere. I think I'm just making money off of dividends with it. So I'm not anticipating that to be a high-rise stock. If it does go up, I'm only thinking it's going to go up like 5 or 6%, maybe 10%. But my concern is most likely it's going to go down for a while. I'm thinking with the holiday season and the way they structure their plans and their customer service, like they're a great company. I myself have AT&T. I love it. I've had AT&T for I think I had them when they were Comcast Wireless. Like they've been good to me for the years. So, and it's the only plan I get to keep unlimited data on. So, I think their customer service is great. I just think their stock is just stagnant. There's a lot of great value there, but it just keeps dropping, so I'm going to keep buying. That's my point. Walmart, I'm keeping a close eye on Walmart still. I think it's going to go up and down, but I think it's going to hit probably by the end of the year around $55 a share. I think the earnings spike was just something that they just show that they're on the right track, but I think people are going to lose faith and start clearing out of there. And when that happens, that's when we start buying, and we just start buying a lot. I'm also looking forward to Apple, seeing how well they do this fourth quarter. I'm also looking forward to seeing how Fit does. I think Fit will do well. It's finally dropping down to a great price point. I think it's going to show a great performance over the fourth quarter. But I still think people are buying them for the Fit, especially there's a new Fit band that does all types of stuff. And I just can't see it not doing well. I think they're gonna have a little tough competition with Apple, with Samsung and their Galaxy Gear, and I'm not too worried about the other smartwatches and devices out there, because I think you're either getting an Apple Watch, you're getting a Fitbit, or you're getting some Samsung Galaxy Gear. Those are the three I think you're getting. There's not a lot of other things out there that even weigh in closely on competition. Now, what worries me about this whole thing with Apple and Fitbit is that consumer spending. It is down, though consumer confidence is up, so consumer spending is down. People are saving more and more money right now. So, and that's a good thing for Americans to do. Proud of it, save more money, but this could be a good time to buy some retail stocks at a great price, because they're gonna drop. But if you're gonna hold long term, 2-3 years long term, I would say give it a few months, find the ones that are trending down but with a good business plan and good financials, like Best Buy, Walmart, Target. I think they're going to be at a discount price now, and in 3 or 4 years, you're going to double your money on it, because I think the economy is finally moving in the right direction. Despite whether you're a liberal or a right wing, the president does not have that much say over the economy. I'm sorry. Now, the Federal Banking Commission and the central bank have a lot to say over the economy, and they affect it, and then no one else in politics affects the economy, unless if they do what FDR did and stimulate jobs. There's another comment. I mean, pharmaceuticals are okay. There's a lot of mergers in there. Not really too keen on it. I got my hand in some of it, but I'm in a lot of big ones like Pfizer, Merck, and Allergen is what I'm also in. and they have proven me well. What I'm also moving a lot of my profits into is trading for power companies. So like PPL, FPL, like all these regional power companies, because one, they pay lots of dividends. It's a consumer. It's a service that is needed. Everybody uses power, so everybody pays for power. What else was I gonna say? There's just great things around, and they're cheap because the oil dropped off. They're cheap to buy, which I don't think oil is going to go back up anytime soon. If it does, it's going to take another 5-7 years. So I think these stocks are going to be at a premium buy because they're not going out of business. You know, they will be around for people, but I also think is that they're gonna start making money again, and in the future they're gonna start raising dividends again. So they're another long-term buy. I would buy them and hold them. Like PPL, I expect it to be around $50 a share, but not until like 2020. You know, but they're paying tremendous dividends. So buy into it. Just keep buying shares as much as you can every week, every year, however you do your cycle. But do it like that. That way, you're gonna double. You're probably gonna make 15-20%, and then you're gonna make the dividends on top of that every quarter. So it's gonna give you extra playing money in your pocket too to put into other stocks. A good stock for me that's been good over the last year and a half, Coke, C-O-K-E. I was a little late to get into it now, but I still think there's still value in there. I got in when it was at 86. It's now like 194, roughly, somewhere hovering in that area. Great buy, great stock to get in, and great stock to hold. So, but I do think it's going to trend back downwards and not buy it again. Actually, I might even by the end of the week put it in order to sell it because I made 100% of my money. No need to stick around for any longer. With that said, that's kind of like my game plan for today. I'm going to be doing lots of watching, doing a handful of day trading. Robinhood app for the month is up 27%. I can't argue that. I'm going to keep trying to push it. That $20 a week deposit experiment seems to be working fine. So any of you that have no money set aside as your net worth, you can actually start putting $20 aside and a week or every time you get paid, and you can start making some serious money. With that said, like, subscribe, pound that like button, subscribe. The more subscribers, always fun trying to help more people. Comment. I'll try to answer any questions as quickly as possible. Like my Facebook page, chat it up, talk to each other. Post your requests on my Facebook page though, because I look at that more than I look at the YouTube, and getting the notifications, sometimes I miss a lot of them. So if you go to Facebook and send me a direct message on any stocks that you want me to look up or anything like that, I can do that at the end of my day. So thanks guys, thanks for all your support. Like, subscribe, like my Facebook page. We're trying to get to 100 likes, so let's get it there. And the more people that talk and ask questions, the more people we're actually helping each other out, because you'll never know who has the same question as you do. And for all you know, like 100 people could have, and they look at it and say, oh, okay, well, I always wanted to know the answer to that question, now I got it. So thanks guys, keep it up. Let me know if there's any questions or anything I can shed some light on. And it's a learning experience for us all. And I try to be as honest as I can about how the process goes, how everything goes. But thanks guys. See you tomorrow morning with another chat. Actually, no, I'm sorry, I forgot. Thanksgiving. There will be no morning chat. But if you have a suggestion, feel free to ask. I will do a video tomorrow about it.